I'm Steve Pastillo from P2 Automation. You're probably at the point where you're wondering what you actually get when you sign up for a managed service plan. This video is going to explain all of that, so you don't have to guess. Our plans start at $7.95 a month, plus some setup work. And just like our software, every plan is customized to meet your needs, so that price will vary, but you'll know ahead of time. Every plan includes the P2 control layer foundation products, as well as any primary solutions that your business needs. We have several unlimited services that we provide, which I'll talk about momentarily, as well as a fixed amount of hours for additional services, which I'll talk about too. And you'll want to make sure to take advantage of the prepaid hours. We offer those hours at a significant discount, and that time doesn't expire, so there's really no risk. For some of those unlimited services, the most important one is system monitoring, where we'll watch your data flows and your data connectors to make sure they run smoothly throughout every business day. We'll also perform system maintenance throughout the month. Things like system upgrades, whether they're from Microsoft or from one of your third-party vendors. We'll take care of all the user setup. So when new employees come on board or when they leave, we'll take care of all the security roles and make sure everyone has access to what they need. We'll make adjustments to those security rules as needed, so people have access to just what you want them to see and nothing more, nothing less. And we'll make sure you stay compliant with Microsoft's licensing requirements as well as your third-party vendors. And then we'll take care of capacity monitoring. You may or may not know, but Microsoft does not give you unlimited capacity with Dynamics 365 or any Power Apps. We'll make sure you stay under the cap so everything continues to run smoothly. Now, for that small block of hours, this will vary from plan to plan. Could be 4 hours, 6 hours, however many you need every month. And you can use those hours for things like system customization, adding fields to forms, or modifying a view, or even some automations. We can do data services for you. Maybe you want to reassign records like leads or accounts to a different employee, or if you do periodic trade shows and you want to import those leads so you can act on them quickly, or leads in general. You can use some of those hours for strategy calls, for system changes, or just changes to your process in general, and user onboarding. So we'll add the users, but we'll also provide training if you need and make sure everybody's using the system the way you need it to be used. And one thing that really separates us from the competition, internal Teams calls. You're meeting with your team anyway. Invite us. If I can attend, I will, and I usually do that at no cost at all. And the reason I do that is because I learn more about your business during those calls than anything else. I hear what people are saying. I hear the pain points. I hear the good and the bad. And I could take that information and help you customize your system to fit everybody's needs. Here's a little more information on how the hours work. So as I mentioned, you have a fixed cap per month, but we actually expand that over the quarter. And at the end of the quarter, if you do go over that significantly, we'll do a quarterly true-up report with you, where we'll just bill you for the extra, but you'll know long in advance if that happens. And as I mentioned, those prepaid hours can be used for the true-up or used for really anything you need, and they don't expire. So hopefully that explains a little bit more about what our plans are all about and how we're different than everyone else in the business. This is a real partnership. We want to be working with you 10, 20 years from now. If this sounds like what you've been looking for, schedule a call with me using the link here or visit us at www.p2automation.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.